today we'll talk about how can you change password on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above here, click on your photo profile here. We just click on it. So when you just click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on change password here, just click on it. Then you come to this list here. So here add your current password here, password you have before. So then here new password. So then here confirm new password. Then you click here on update here password, then it's going to add or change with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.